Hello everyone, friends, and welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will show you how you can add Wi-Fi to the control point on your iOS 18 iPhone. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also put your likes below the video and write your comments after watching. And friends, let us get down to our topic. If you, like some users of iOS 18 on iPhone, may be annoyed that after the update, in order to turn Wi-Fi on or off, you need to first click on this menu and then work with Wi-Fi. And before, you just had to click on the Wi-Fi button. So the way out of this situation is to add a shortcut to your iPhone's controls, which will switch your Wi-Fi very quickly. So, first of all, friends, you will need to create such a shortcut. Please find the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. Now on the top right side, click on the plus sign to create a new shortcut. In the search box, tap and see the word Wi-Fi and select Wi-Fi settings. Now click on the word turn and you will need to switch to another option. Now you can configure some additional features with Wi-Fi. For example, at the top in the middle, if you click on the menu, you'll see a window like this, where you can, for example, rename your shortcut. You can name it, for example, My Wi-Fi or just Wi-Fi. After that, click Done at the bottom. You can also customize the appearance of your future shortcut. To do this, also click in the middle. Next, select an icon. And you can customize the color of your shortcut. And you can also scroll down. At the bottom, there will be a very large selection of different icons. And here you can scroll down to the communications section and select, for example, the Wi-Fi icon, or whichever one you like best. And so once you've customized the look of your future Wi-Fi shortcut, now you'll need to save it. To do this, click on Done at the top. Next, swipe from the right side of the screen from top to bottom. Now on the left side at the top, tap on plus. Next at the bottom, add. Now in the search box, type in the word shortcut. And you'll need to click right here into Shortcut Quick Commands. After that, you will need to customize the shortcut you want. To do that, click here. Choose Wi-Fi from all the previously configured shortcuts. Then click on the empty field. And as you can see, this shortcut will be instantly added to your control point. And here you can also change, let's say, its size, make it smaller or bigger, or drag it to the place you want. Once you've set up where you want your shortcut to be, just click on the empty box. And now, as you can see, such a shortcut will be added, and you just need one click to turn your Wi-Fi on or off. Friends, this is the very interesting way you will be able to add Wi-Fi to the control point on your iOS 18 iPhone. I really hope, friends, that this video has helped you and was useful to you. Please, friends, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also put your likes under the video and write comments. Take care, friends.